In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new app in Base44 using the built-in AI chat. This is a super fast way to turn an idea into a working app without manually building the front end, setting up a database, or configuring authentication from scratch. If you want to save time and launch your app idea faster, this is a great place to start. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to the Base44 home screen. Once you're there, look for the chat box. This is where you tell Base44 exactly what you want your app to do. The key here is to be as specific as possible. Don't just say you want a task app or a booking app. Instead, explain the features you want, the dashboards you need, the different user roles, and any important workflows or actions your users should be able to complete. For example, you might describe who the app is for, what the main purpose is, and what each type of user should be able to see or do. If your app needs an admin panel, a customer dashboard, a login system, or a data table, mention that clearly in your prompt. The more detail you give, the better Base44 can understand your idea and generate something useful. Once you've typed out your app description, click Enter. After that, Base44 will begin generating your app automatically. This is where the platform does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. It can create the front-end interface, the back-end database, and any user authentication your app needs, all based on the prompt you provided. After the generation is complete, take a moment to review what Base44 has built. Check the layout, the buttons, the forms, the navigation, and the overall structure to make sure it matches your idea. If something needs to be changed, you can refine your prompt and try again with more detail. That is one of the biggest advantages of using AI app builders like Base44. You can improve the result very quickly without starting over manually. Next, test the live app file directly inside your editor. This is an important step because it lets you see how the app actually works in real time. Try clicking through the interface, testing the forms, and checking whether the user flow makes sense. If your app includes login or role-based access, make sure those parts behave the way you expected. If everything looks good, you're already well on your way to having a working app prototype. And if it needs changes, you can go back to the chat box, update your instructions, and regenerate or refine the app based on what you learned during testing. That makes the whole process much easier and much faster than building everything from scratch. So that's how to create a new app in Base44. Go to Home, use the chat box to describe your app in detail, press Enter, and let the AI generate the interface, database, and authentication for you. Then test the live app inside the editor and keep improving it as needed. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Base44 tutorials and no-code app building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.